babies, welcome back to my channel. So glad you came back. If you're interested in how I got these nails, keep watching. I am still a beginner. These are, I lost track of what number set, but still less than 10. Let's get started. First things first, you gotta start by prepping. So right now I'm pushing the nail bed back and just taking my time because you don't want any lifting. This is going to make or break you. Then I'm going in with my e-file at number 2, so it's really the slowest. It goes down to 1, and I'm just doing that so that I don't ruin her nail bed and file way too much. This is about the second or third set within a month, and each time we take off the whole entire nail instead of me putting a clear coat first. So if you see yourself changing out your styles often, then ask your nail tech, or if you are the nail tech, try to do a clear layer so when it's time to change up the style, you can just file down to that and then just do it all over again, and it's going to save time too. And it's also going to help the customer's nail bed not be so thin because you keep filing and filing and filing. So now I am sizing up her nails to her desired length. And then she wanted a marble effect, but I didn't have any brown acrylic, so I put some brown nail polish in some monomer to try to do that trend where you don't need the brown acrylic, but it didn't end up working for me. It was all over the place. I tried, but it just wasn't working. Also, this was the first time using this brush for nails. I got it in the mail. It's from Valentino Beauty. Y'all know what I'm talking about if y'all do nails. No promo or nothing, but yeah, the marble effect was so hard. Like, this was the first time even using white acrylic, and the white acrylic is very, very different and more chalky. So it was just overall hard. I tried, but it didn't work. So we ended up just doing all white acrylic later on. One more thing before I let this music play. I think, don't hold me to it. You can see my application is a little bit more sloppy, and towards the end, that's when I get the hang of it. So every time that I go MIA and don't do nails for a long time, when I come back, I'm like, okay, wait, did I miss a step? Okay, wait, I had it before, but why is it not going on the same? So one reason was because the white acrylic was different, and then the other reason was because it was like, it's been 2 weeks since I did nails, so I was kind of rusty. Oh my goodness, look how I'm about to apply this bead. Literally putting it on like nail polish. I didn't get the hang of it until I had about 3 nails left, which is sad, but at the end of the day, I'm gonna make sure that I file, honey, and we gonna get that shape together. But yeah, the more that I practice, the better that I get. I just gotta keep going, and I'm also changing my products a lot because I just feel like I need to know what works best for me ASAP, even though some nail techs don't recommend that because they want you to get familiar with a certain brand or a certain product. But honestly, my old brush had like acrylic all up in it, so I needed a new one. And I really like this nail brush. Let's see how long I can make it last before it breaks or just has just too much acrylic in it. And I know that I can use acetone, but I feel like it just dries out the brushes even if I do put it in monomer afterwards.
We don't have to meet at the bar getting drinks. We don't have to sleep together for the night and forget each other's names. Oh no, this doesn't have to be a millennial love affair. This doesn't have to be the night of fun and then we leave. Oh, I wanna make it last with you. Oh, you love me for my brain, not my body. I wanna know about you. Oh, you love me for my brain, not my body. I wanna know about you. I wanna know about you. If you wanna get it on, let's get it on. I don't really wanna waste my life on that. If you wanna get it on, let's get it on. I don't really wanna waste my life on that. If you wanna get it on, let's get it on. I don't really wanna waste my life on that. If you wanna get it on, let's get it on. I don't really wanna waste my life on that. If you wanna get it on, let's get it on. I don't really wanna waste my life on that. If you wanna get it on, let's get it on. I don't really wanna waste my life on that. Sit on my bed, I got nothing to do. Take out my phone 1 second, right to you. I'm really bored. Please don't ignore. Started as fun, now I randomly know you love rainy days and you still live at home. It's cool to see you're real with me. Oh no, we've never met and things like this never last. But every time you text back, I can't help but reply with hearts in my eyes. 'Cause I think I really like you, but I never say it straight to your face. I think I really like you, but I don't wanna repeat my mistakes. And I guess I'm kinda scared of meeting you in person, 'cause you're really cute. I think instead I'll slide into your DMs like I said. I think I really like you, but I never say it straight to your face. Been a few weeks and we're keeping this up. Difficult to deny we're on the cusp of something more. Can't be ignored.
I hope y'all were jamming like I was, but all I'm doing is taking some gel nail polish and drawing squigglies with my nail art brush. It was supposed to be something like marble, and I didn't like it, but she liked it, so we just kept and stood with it. Then I was trying to play with the stamps for the first time, and it was just too slippery for me. The stamps didn't come out right, so we just decided to just paint it and go with our initial agreement.
Let you know every part of me. All of the nuances no one else sees. We talk all night. I read then type. Oh no, we've never met and things like this never last. But every time you text back, I can't help but reply with hearts in my eyes. 'Cause I think I really like you, but I never say it straight to your face. I think I really like you, but I don't wanna repeat my mistakes. And I guess I'm kinda scared of meeting you in person, 'cause you're really cute. I think instead I'll slide into your DMs like I said. I think I really like you, but I never say it straight to your face. I really like you.
The last step was to cure the nail polish and then put on a top coat. I wanted a shiny one, but she really wanted a matte one, so we went with the matte, and long story short, it was a good choice. Y'all see what's going on. Y'all know what it is. Okay, y'all, so this is the final product. She wanted the marble effect, and I was doing just stuff, and she's like, oh, it kind of looks cute. I'm like, are you sure? And she's like, yeah, it's so pretty. So this is what we left it with. She really wanted to make opposite colors. So this time I didn't try like special effects or anything. I just did them all one color, and then, you know, I figured I'd figure out the design at the end, and that made it go a lot faster.
We made it matte too. We didn't want it to be all shiny still.
You didn't want it to be shiny. I thought it would look better shiny, but I think this is better because it looks more like grown instead of childish. It just looks more put together, I feel like.
Yeah.
They can't even see you. Make sure you give it a thumbs up if you guys enjoyed it. I've definitely enjoyed making these videos for you guys. This is probably the last set I'm going to be able to do on her before she leaves me soon. So that sucks, but I'm going to be making some press-on nails. So I need to get her measurements, and then I could send them to her and be able to make some crazy designs.
Wait 5 months.
No. I'm gonna send them. I got all the materials. I just gotta actually do them. But yeah, give it a thumbs up and check out the description. Love you, Nest Gang. See you in my next video. Bye.